Matt Thunder, Matt Thunder, Matt Thunder. You think that I framed your buddy Maximus Roman? No. That's the farthest thing from the truth. Because what I did to Maximus Roman is I exposed him for the fraud that he is. I reminded him that he is the reason why all this is happening. Maximus Roman is the reason why Jay is gone and out of BBW. Maximus Roman is the reason why all these kids are going missing. Maximus Roman is the reason why Logan is messed up. And Maximus Roman is the reason why his brother is mental. So I don't appreciate you calling me out, saying that I framed Maximus Roman. I would never frame anyone. I just serve justice for what Maximus has done. And I will deal with you later. Moving on. This Friday, the Silent Zero will be here on Friday Night Fury, talking about the events that are coming up on Saturday. And about Sam